This is a cordless electric spinning brush. Now it has several attachments to it. You can pull this off and you can put another one on. If I can do it with one hand. Come on, off you go. Trying to break it. There's several attachments. If I press the on-off button, nothing happens. If it works, it's not working properly. You've got to hold it down. Press and hold. And it works. Yippee! And then you then press it again, and it changes to different speeds. Well, 2 speeds. Now hold it down, and it goes off. Now to charge it up, it doesn't last long, to be honest. It's a small battery. To charge up, you're using a USB-C connection. Charge it up, and then there'll be a little indicator there to say how much charge is in there. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you could subscribe, that'd be fantastic. And I do have more DIY videos on my channel.